Ever wondered what's been driving the recent surge in Bitcoin's value? Well, grab a cuppa and settle in as we delve into the chronological series of events that have led to Bitcoin's record-breaking climb. Our journey begins with Bitcoin's open interest reaching a record high of $72 billion. This was largely due to the demand from institutional investors and the fiscal uncertainty in the United States. With over $1.2 billion in bearish Bitcoin liquidations at risk, the odds of a Bitcoin breakout were significantly boosted. In addition to institutional buying, the high yields of the US Treasury and the weak demand for long-term government debt led investors to seek alternative assets. Gold has long been a dominant alternative asset, but now regions including the United States have begun considering reallocating portions of their gold reserves into Bitcoin. Fast forward to May, and Bitcoin surpassed its previous record set in January, reaching an all-time high of $108,955.10. This surge was attributed to various factors such as softer US inflation numbers, easing US-China trade tensions, and increased interest in alternative stores of value like Bitcoin. Inflows into Bitcoin ETFs even exceeded $40 billion, as the anticipation of regulatory updates and corporate investments in Bitcoin contributed to the price surge. Notably, the Senate advanced legislation for stablecoin regulation, and Coinbase was included in the S&P 500. President Trump also announced his intention to sign crypto regulation into law by August. So, to summarize the key points discussed today, Bitcoin's value surge was driven by factors such as institutional investor demand, fiscal uncertainty, and the search for alternative assets. Bitcoin reached a new all-time high in May, surpassing its previous record set in January. This surge was fueled by softer US inflation numbers, easing US-China trade tensions, and increased interest in alternative stores of value. The steady growth of the cryptocurrency market, advancements in legislation, and corporate investments in Bitcoin have all contributed to this remarkable climb. As we wrap up, remember that the world of cryptocurrencies is intriguing, complex, and constantly evolving. So keep an eye on the market, stay informed, and who knows, you might just catch the next big wave.